Alrighty, there she is, the Alfa Romeo, my daily drive at the moment, and I love driving it. But today's task, hey, are you getting in? Come on, come here, come on. Oh, this is my little micromanager. So today's task is to get the reversing camera working. And so I've got the original sat-nav player here, but unfortunately it can't connect to a reversing camera. And I don't really want to change this unit. I really want to keep it original. And they're quite hard to find one this size anyway, because these are the bigger ones. You can get the 7-inch ones, but this one's the larger one. So I really want to leave that alone. So what I've done is I fitted this. So a CarPlay system. Stay there. You can micromanage from there. All right, stay there. So a CarPlay system. This is the camera. I've actually got a line already fitted from a previous system. I can't even remember what it was. So that's all fitted, and the cable is in here. There you go. It's a 2.5 end plug. But what I want to do is go and find the bit in the boot that this connects to, and then I want to see if this makes this work. I'm doubtful. I seem to be having problems connecting cameras. So we'll rig this up. If this doesn't work, I've got to rip all that lot out, put the new wire in for a different camera. So, okay, I'll come back to you. Okay, so here we are in the boot. And you can see here is the old wire. I have no idea where this... You can see on there, if I can zoom in, it's got 5 pins on it. And you can see here, this one has got 5 on it. So this is the new one I've just bought. I'm going to plug it into there, wire that red wire up, and then see if we get power. Wishful thinking. Wish me luck. Okay, I'll do that, then I'll come back to you. Okay, so luckily I'd already put an adapter on here. So this is the reversing light here, this one. I've put this live on, so when it goes into reverse, it sends a power down here and back to the camera. So I'll just plug that on, and then we'll jump in the car and see if that works. Okay, you can see the reversing lights on. Wire comes down, it's connected to here. There's the camera, let's leave that out. And then it goes back to wherever it needs to go back. Our machine, but it seems like that's not working because nothing's come on. Let's go out, let's go home, let's go video, let's go camera. Oh no, we don't want that. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go home. Let's go video. No, we don't want that. Okay, let's go back. Let's go settings. Let's go system. Let's turn ADS off. Jesus, where is it? Let's go back to video settings. Okay, front car reverse off. That's now on. Rear car reverse off. Let's turn it on. Go back. Go back. Let's go to the home. There. Dash cam. Front's working, the camera for that is there. Reverse one isn't working. So when I put it in reverse, that should just come up with a reverse. Oh, what an idiot, I've not even plugged it in. Okay, so the 5-pin plug that was existing here, this one, no good, disconnected it. And what I've done is I've put the new one in that came with the machine, plugged it into the reverse light like I said I was going to, and now when I put it into reverse we get the camera come up. Hallelujah, because this has been a nightmare. We can adjust these, look, like this. So we'll do that, but before we do any more we'll go and wire it in the back. I'm hoping that I can do a split screen front and reverse on here as well, which would be really cool, but I'll try that and then I'll come back to you again. Okay, so I just found out after going through all the settings, which was really tricky, not easy. So there's your rear view of the camera. I've not set that up yet, but if you just swipe across to the right, you get the front view and then you get the rear view, and if you swipe across again you just get the front view. So what I want when I'm parking really will be the front and back view. So what I've got to do now is just go and set the camera up in the right spot, and then we'll, that's right, and then, oh okay, that's a bit weird, but anyway, not sure how that's going to go on settings, but it seems like you can't. Oh, there we go. However, when you put it into reverse, it just goes into reverse. So you can only see both when you're driving. Let's turn that one off. It's a bit weird. And then, yeah, so you can only see both when you're driving, which I'm not interested in. So that split screen, I will just probably turn off. I'm not really interested in that. So if I go back to home and go video, settings, video settings, I want AD. I don't even know why it turns. Oh my days, it's freaking confusing. We've been there. We want to go settings, screen display split. I want that off. I don't even want that. And then it'll reboot. And then I'll come back to you and show you once I've done the camera. Bit of a nightmare, but anyway, we'll get there. Okay, so I thought now that we've done all that, and that's the make and model, CarPlay, and it says no lag, I thought we would review this CarPlay. So this is one I got off of AliExpress. It was $200. You got everything in it. You got the camera, you got the wires and all that kind of thing. It's supposed to be anti-lag, but you can see now I've turned the car on and that wasn't too bad, I suppose. You know, we'll go on there, go on there. What do I think to it? Not a lot, really. It's okay. It took a lot to set it up. There is a lot of lag on it. You change the settings, they don't always change. I mean, the amount of times I've changed this home button on here and it ends up over here. I've tried to change it, the driving, so it's right-handed drive, so these go over to this side or this side. Tried it left-handed, right-handed, doesn't work. I mean, it plays music okay. Let's just try it. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. There we go, play. That works sometimes, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, there we go, so now it's working. Play. Sound is okay. See? So that comes through okay. I'll turn that back down because copyright and all that. I mean, look, it does the job. It's okay. You will notice with CarPlay, if it's not a wired connection, that it does drain the battery on the phone quite quickly. $200, you got everything in it. I did buy another one for the car next door, and that was I'll review that one as well, but that one didn't come with the camera and everything. I tried attaching the camera to that. It was a right nightmare. So hey, look, it'll do for now. I'm going to give it a go. What I am considering is replacing this one. I don't really want to because it's got all the you know, it's got all the alpha stuff on there, so I want to keep it original if I can. So I probably will leave that and just work with that, but I might upgrade this one, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, so job done. Reversing light works, reversing camera rather. There we go. I'll leave it like that. I won't do the split screen. bit of a rave. We got there in the end. Okay, so there you go. What do you think, Micromanager? Not a lot. Over and out.